It's a 1977 Chevy C10.
Definitely a fan favorite. Everybody loves this damn truck, man. What's up, guys? We are out here at Apple Valley Speedway with Gabe Franco.
What's up? What's up?
That's right. The one and only Gabe Franco. Dude, we've been trying to meet up with Gabe for like years.
It's been a long time.
Like probably like 2 years, dude.
At least.
Even before any of the drifting stuff, we have a big appreciation for this car. And every time it is featured on the page or one of our people feature it, people love this damn thing, dude. So
I appreciate it.
Super stoked. Thank you for your time,
Thank you
man.
guys,
Thank you, bro. This is a really unique build, super cool, and the people love it, man. So we're trying to give the people what they want.
Giving people what they want? No. What they need.
Gabe has come out to our previous events. He was at Speed Metal.
A fun one, yep, at Adelanto.
Check him out in Speed Metal. Go. We're over here at our last event, Drive Like Hell. I think we got to cut to some of that too.
Yeah, go to that.
Let's cut to that. You know how to get on the freeway.
Yeah, I was gonna say, you might have seen me on the freeways a few times.
You can get on the freeway elegantly.
It's proper, I feel like.
All in Mexico.
Nothing on the States.
Nothing at all. You guys, Gabe is a rad dude. How did you get into this stuff, bro? Like, I mean, what's up?
When I was building the truck, I was not into drifting. I had some buddies that have drift cars, and I went for a ride along, and I was like, damn, this is what I need to do. Like,
really?
This is so much fun. And I was actually building the truck to be an autocross truck, so I planned on going out and hitting cone tracks and having fun that way.
Yeah.
But after my first ride along, I was like, I'm gonna drift my truck. That's the move. All my buddies were like, nah, it's not possible. You can't do it. And it just pushed me harder to get out there and do it, you know?
And here you are sending it big in the entry at Apple Valley.
Trying, you know, I got a lot of drift cars out here that are meant to do it, so I gotta do my part and make it look decent.
It looks great, man. You do it effortlessly,
Thank
bro,
you,
for
thank
real.
you.
Definitely a fan favorite. Everybody loves this damn truck, man. Even our buddy Blake and Aaron and all the guys at Shreddy, they did a shirt with this,
Yeah,
right? Didn't they do a shirt?
I think they did, yeah.
Dude, awesome. I don't have it, but I'm gonna ask Blake if they could.
You're gonna need
I
that.
gotta get one of those, man.
Right.
And if not, maybe we could do a Terra Crew shirt.
I think that's the move
That would
right
be
there.
sick, huh?
Collab with them too, that'd be sweet. You hear that, Aaron? Let's make it happen.
Yeah, let's see what we could do, guys. So originally autocross truck, now it's a drift truck. I know you had mentioned you were even considering like some pre-runner stuff.
Yeah, so being in SoCal, we have the desert, we got tracks like this, but I grew up down in Baja riding motorcycles and then going out to Superstition. So originally this, I wanted to be a pre-runner, but 4 or 5 years ago when I was building it, I didn't have the tooling or the knowledge to make that happen.
Yeah.
So a street truck is what I got, but I'm actually getting ready to start V2 of my drift truck. So
Okay.
a full new chassis, new cab, everything.
Wow.
Make a full, like, perfect drift car or drift truck, to my opinion, just from all the stuff I've learned over the years of driving this one.
Yeah.
And once that's complete and sound, I will be chopping the front of this up and the back halving it and front halving it and making an off-road truck.
Let's go.
That way we
Awesome,
can actually
man.
get out there with you guys and have some fun in the dirt.
Dude, that's awesome, man. I love it. Who does all your work? How does that go?
I own my own speed shop. It's Franco Speed Shop, and I do all my own custom fabrication. We do aluminum, we'll do steel, but mainly I fell in love with welding. I was a full-time mechanic at a shop, and I loved wrenching, but once I built this thing, bringing creations from my head to life is a game changer. About 2 years ago, I left the shop and started my own LLC, and I've been running with that. So I'm thinking for the V2, I want to really document it. Have you come down to the shop and check it out.
Oh, we'd love that. We'd love that, man. And you guys think we should take a ride and go check out Gabe's new build? You know, hit us in the comments. I think that would be really great. I'd love to do that.
That'd be sweet.
San Diego local, right?
Yeah, San Diego.
So what part of San Diego, man?
We're East County boys, you know.
Yeah,
it's like Wilkie.
Yeah, that's where it is, dude. There's so many talented drivers from out there, bro.
Dude, and I tell
so many
people
legends, bro.
And there's such a good car community out there, and everybody just wants to help each other out, it seems like, in my opinion.
That's what's up.
And it's rad.
I love it, dude. Hell yeah. We'll probably actually take a tour of Gabe's shop, and we'll go check out some of the stuff that he's done, maybe some projects. Maybe you can call some customers, some stuff you're stoked on, have them come down and we can check out some of their stuff. That'd be cool. Maybe we could do a San Diego day.
Yeah,
sure.
set up a little barbecue at the shop or something.
I love it, dude. The carne asada and everything.
Dude,
Let's
that'd
go.
be sweet.
So take us through this thing, man. Tell us about this car.
So it's a 1977 Chevy C10. The cab and doors are still original to the most part. And then I kind of just went crazy with the frame. I didn't know much about it, and I was just trying to teach myself. So it's still the original frame. It's just fully boxed in. It's channeled and X-braced throughout. And then right here, you just cut it. And then I did a little tube section there.
Okay.
And then to get the truck low and to actually handle really good, I started working with QA1, and nobody was really drifting these trucks before.
Who's QA1?
QA1 is a suspension company.
Okay.
They're out here in the States as well. And they do an amazing job at building parts that can handle like a gnarly beating.
Okay.
So they
and that's you.
Yeah, dude, I'm testing those things to the limit.
Yeah.
And these are made for these trucks. So you could buy the upper and lower control arms and the coil-over conversion kit.
No way.
And you could even hit them up and be like, hey, I want to run the same spring rate Gabe has. And
really?
They'll hook you up and they'll send you that package, and your truck will feel great afterwards.
Dude, that's what's up, man. You've helped with the development of this with these guys, and I'm sure you've done some R&D with them.
Yeah, more so in just like testing out spring rates and different coil packages, just because these trucks weren't meant to drift.
No,
especially before we went to the wide body carbon kit, the full steel body and everything. It had a lot of weight transfer.
Yeah.
So it was a lot to work with, and it took some time to kind of get it dialed in.
So these look amazing, but it's not just looks. This is performance.
Yeah.
You needed to take that weight off the car.
Definitely, especially in the rear end. So the bed alone weighed about 550 pounds.
No.
Yeah, so it was a lot.
Wow.
So now that the rear end probably weighs 25 pounds with all the carbon on it.
Wonderful.
It's snappy. It reacts like a drift car. Now you go and hit a faint entry and that thing just flicks on you.
I've seen it.
It's beautiful.
I've seen it. Let's cut to that right now. For our first-time viewers, can you tell everybody what's a faint entry?
A faint entry is, instead of just coming into the corner and grabbing hydro to entry, you're going to go in the opposite direction and give it a nice flick, and then it's going to kick you back out that way. And then you'll kind of just use that instead of grabbing hydro to enter.
There's a lot of cool points with that.
Yeah, it's a lot more commitment, I feel like. You got to really charge and trust your flick.
Yeah.
But it's funner. That's the main thing for me.
I tried that about 2 weeks ago and went into the tire wall.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You really got to commit.
And I destroyed a lot of my glass. So that was cool.
Drifting.
But it's learning, right? That's how it is. But yeah, we'll talk about that later. This is great work, dude. The body lines, Man, this thing
Thank
looks
you.
good. Who did this?
So the company that makes these now is called No Sins Customs.
Okay.
And they're out there in Texas. They're partnered up with Muncie Speed.
Okay.
And Muncie Speed makes a lot of carbon parts for stock chassis or stock older vehicles.
Okay.
Not so much the wide body.
It looks so damn good, bro.
It looks great, dude.
Dude.
I had to keep my mouth shut for about 2 years while they were developing it and making it, and like, one day I'll get a nice truck.
Yeah.
You know?
Dang, that's sick, man.
But no, they knocked it out of the park. Like you said, even after like I've hit it, cracked it a bunch already in the body lines.
Yeah.
It's still good, dude. It's really strong, really good quality.
Something special about carbon fiber, right?
Exactly.
Very cool.
And you know, they got some Baja designs on there.
Those are our boys right there, dude. What's up, Wes? What's up, all the homies at Baja Designs?
Big shout out to them.
I love how Baja Designs is expanding, and we wouldn't be here today if it wasn't for Baja Designs in so many ways. Terra crew and just being here at the drift track today, they're supporting this event, and we're super grateful for them. So shout out to Baja Designs. Great stuff, great product. As you guys see, damn dude, this freaking light looks so good on this car. What else can it look good on? I'm sure a bunch
They
of
got
rad
them
stuff.
outfitted out the whole track, even in the back of the brake
Yeah.
lights. Those are the mini RTLs. They fit so good, dude. It
Dude,
was like
yeah,
a
we'll
perfect
scope
fit.
those out for sure. Hell yeah. And what's up with this motor?
So the motor, everybody's got an LS nowadays. This
Okay.
is still an old small block Chevy. It's actually something that I built myself. It's still got cast iron heads. You just gotta do a little bit of upgrades to the valve train just so it can handle the rev limiter all the time. It's really not like a high horsepower motor. I butt dyno it maybe around 300.
Okay.
So it just takes a lot of driving commitment to make it do what it wants to do.
Right.
But,
a lot of commitment to that speed.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah.
You got to use that speed to your advantage and just run with it.
I see that golden palm tree right there peeking out.
Good old heat waves.
Again, dude, you know what? This is the thing, dude. Like, again, shout out to Heatwave for sure. Those are our boys.
Definitely.
They've, again, got us here today, helped us, Terra crew, develop in so many different ways. And there's like this little we have a really good bond with our boys from Baja Designs, Heat Waves. And you know, even Micah Holdfast right here, you know what I mean? Micah helped us today with some stuff. And we're just super stoked. We love the big circle, the big group that we have of friends, and we're gonna all freaking keep kicking ass as a team and rising. So shout out to Heatwave, shout out to Holdfast, and let's get back into this truck. And I'm sorry for that. And it's not even a plug. It's just a genuine shout out to the homies, man.
Honestly,
you know?
yeah, they're
Straight
great
up.
companies, great
Absolutely.
people.
What's next for this? Do you like that you have 300 horsepower? I think it's actually pretty cool.
It's fun. It's definitely funner to drive a slow car as hard as you can than have a fast car and drive it lightly.
Okay.
So I like to beat the hell out of it.
Yeah.
And I do find myself in third gear, like fully wooded to the floor, like, dang, I wish I had an extra 100 horsepower right now.
Yeah.
But it's all right. I would like to do a nice, almost like a NASCAR style small block Chevy. That way you can get the high revs out of it and good horsepower. And then it's still traditional small block, LS like everybody has nowadays. You know?
At your shop, do you also build motors, or is it mainly fabrication?
I can, and if it's a big build, a full build, and I need to do the mechanical work, we will outsource it. Everything except for electrical.
Of course.
I don't do electrical myself, so I can't offer that up.
Yeah, dude, that's a whole other language, bro.
Yeah,
that's
for
another monster. No, thank you, right?
Definitely. But motor-wise, yeah, if you're doing a build with us, we'll definitely take care and get your motor situated and get your parts going.
Right on. Anything else in the front you want to go over?
Front's pretty basic, to be honest, other than QA1. I love that company. They helped me out so much.
Yeah, big shout out to those boys, man.
Always. And then the cab, this was actually like the first, like I was telling you, I had never really welded or done anything before.
Yeah.
So this was like my learning curve. And this was the first cage I ever did. Had to do all the sheet metal on the flooring, all the trans tunnel, the firewall. The motor was actually pushed back about 6.5 inches.
There's good space in here.
Yeah.
Oh, dude, look at this dash, dude. Sorry.
Good old.
I'm a dash guy. This looks beautiful, man.
That's stock dash, and then that's just like a $20 suede kit you do.
Yes.
That Flockit kit.
Dude, that's what's up. And so there's no glare off this thing. It's like clean as hell.
And it's been in there for years, and it hasn't like faded or chipped away or nothing, you know?
Love it, dude. Love it. And then you got the dyno mat all over. Dang, look at this guy right here.
Yep, got
That's
that
hard,
Kiwi Tech
dude.
handbrake in there. That's another thing too. Ryan's a great dude over at Kiwi Tech.
Hell yeah.
He
Dude.
helps me out a lot, like the hydro and all the fender bolts and all that. I love those things.
Dude, I'm loving the shifter right here. That's what where did you get this eyeball?
I want to say that's a moon eyeball, like an old hot rod style one.
So sick. And that's what I was going to say. Super hot rod vibe.
Yeah.
You know?
Because I grew like when I was a kid, I was like, I'm gonna build rat rods when I get all their Harleys and bobbers, you know? Like,
Yeah.
That's what I dreamed about.
Yeah.
So I was like, I need a little flair of hot rod in here.
I feel like this is almost something like that, though.
In a sense, definitely.
You know what I mean?
It's
I think
definitely
it's really
a Mad
cool.
Max like kind of build in a sense.
Yeah, dude. I mean, it definitely turns heads. I mean, people on social media, dude, love this build. So this was the learner kit.
Yeah, dude. And the funny thing is, this was all welded with flux core. So there's like
No way.
Yeah, there's no shielded gas. It was like a 110 welder in my mom's garage.
Let's go.
But it's very strong and it works good.
Well, it's holding the whole chassis together, right?
Yeah.
You guys are all, it's all integrated.
You guys see me hit a few K rails and
Right.
some things in my past.
So what's next? Want to go over the rear?
Yeah. So after I hit a K rail, I think that was like a year and a half ago.
Okay.
I didn't really bend the frame, but I knew the wide body kit was coming. So I was like, if I'm going to be advertising my business, I kind of want to redo the back half.
Yeah.
So once I got the wide body kit, I kind of cut the frame right there and just did a new C notch, redid the X brace, and then I tied it all into the cage.
Okay.
And then just gave it a lot more structural strength, tying it into the back of the chassis.
Yeah.
Just to keep the real chassis planted. My biggest thing is keep things simple.
Yeah.
You don't need to overdo things.
So you can get out and drive.
Oh yeah, that way you have fun.
I always see you out driving, man. You know, I always feel like you're out in this thing all over the place. If it's not around town or in Mexico,
Yeah.
you know, like you're always at events, dude, and you could really flick this thing, dude. Like you could really drive this thing, man.
Thank you.
And just super stoked that you've been so kind to us and come out to our events and supported the events and stuff, man. And
It's a blast, dude.
we're stoked, bro. So thank you,
for
man.
having me, you know?
Hell yeah. Well, very cool, dude. I think you killed it. Is that like a little fuel safe back there?
Yeah, this is the fuel cell. So
Okay.
originally these trucks have 2 gas tanks underneath the cab, right, or underneath the bed, I should say, right there.
Okay.
So fuel cell in the back. It's a 19 gallon. I've driven the truck from San Diego to Apple Valley, driven all day, driven home. About About a handful of times now. Before
Really?
I had a truck and trailer, yeah.
Yeah, that's what's up.
So, I mean, it is real.
That's like the pre-runner way, like that, dude. You know what I mean? Just like, oh damn, I hope I make it back from the desert.
Yeah, you're like, I hope I can just enjoy the day. We'll figure out the rest after that, you know?
That's what's up, dude. And then Curry we're in?
Yeah, so shout out to Curry as well.
Nice.
I know
dude.
John Henson over there helps me out all the time, and they're great people. Even with all my builds, I try and outsource Curry in there just
Sick.
to plug them up. And they're really like, I go off the track a lot. I do things wrong sometimes, you know.
Hey, it happens, dude. It happens.
These solid axles, they can take a beating, so they're
Sick.
good. I love them.
Hell yeah, dude. That's badass. I love this tailgate, dude. The brass knuckles is so hard, bro.
I think it's perfect too. He was even able to incorporate the dimple dies into the carbon.
Dude, this whole thing's a vibe. It looks so good.
And then you got a little RTL tucking underneath from Baja Designs as well. This is their big one, just the main one for partying when we're at nighttime. And then I didn't even know they made these guys, but they make a mini RTL.
Nice.
And this actually has like a blinker and flashers,
No way.
brake lights, and running lights already incorporated in it.
Really?
Literally like a plug and play, as you guys know with their harnesses. You could have brake lights, all that street legal stuff with the
Really?
mini RTL, yeah.
Dude, that's what's up. I need to incorporate that into some of my stuff.
And
That's
then you
great.
could make it look stock too, like that's still just
Oh
a
yeah,
cover
that's just
over
right
it,
over
you know?
the cover.
You make a nice
Perfect.
little bracket, fit it in there, it's beautiful.
There it is, like magic, dude.
Mm-hmm.
This thing's awesome, Gabe.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you, man. Thank you for letting us go over the truck. I'm sure you're anxious to drive.
Yeah, I'm ready to go out.
You're ready to go.
Yeah.
You guys will be seeing more of Gabe Franco and Terra Crew. Hopefully we can get a Terra Crew freaking shirt of this guy. That would be sick. I would really love that.
I'm down for that.
I'll push it. I'll talk to the Terra Crew people. We'll see who I know over there. And maybe Evan could design something cool for this thing,
That'd be
man. We're gonna head down to San Diego, have some kind of, I saw that at a shop. Maybe we could call some other drift local boys out there to just kind of hang out. Maybe we could like get like a little
Vibe
kind of
going
small
on.
little vibe. Yeah,
I like
you know, a
it,
little
I like
barbecue. That could be cool.
Definitely can make that happen.
Follow Gabe's Instagram, check it out. Always has fresh content. Car looks so damn good. Shout out to Baja Designs, Heatwave, and all the other homies that have come through for my boy right here. And we'll see you guys next time, man.
Thank you guys.
Sounds good.
Till
Later,
the next
guys.
time.